Good morning. So we start Friday, um, October 22nd, 2021. Um, so we are starting this session. First thing first, let's review what is the news for today. What are the news for today? So today is at 8:30. We do have core retail sales. And then I'm sorry, this is Canadian. So at 9:45 we do have flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI, and at 10 we do have the FOMC member daily speak, and then at 11 we do have the Fair Chair Powell speaks. So those are the news for today. As usual, I will create an alert for 9:45 and 10 and 11. So that would be it for news. So I already entered a trade in crude, targeting $100. So let's see what is the bias for today. So it will be, let's start with crude. Crude in the 200, in the 240 is bullish. In the 30 minutes is bullish as well. So all the moving averages are up, and then momentum is crossing in the 240s, and in the 30 minutes is bullish as well. Then in gold is also bullish, moving above this resistance here and facing this resistance up here in the 240 as well. So let's put sometimes that happens. And then so we do have 1800 level resistance in gold. In the 30 minutes we do have retraced in this bar here, but it's bullish as well. Momentum is down. It needs to turn up. There. In ES is still bullish in the 240s, and the 30 minutes is bullish as well. Level here, it crossed this high here at 45.43. So both of them are bullish, and the momentum in the 30s is bullish. The momentum in the 245 needs to cross to the bullish side. Okay, so that is 240s and 30 minutes. So in the point and figure, let's review the point and figure real quick. Point and figure here is moving up in gold. Crossed right here at 83 level, and then gold is moving sideways. So it's in this range in between. Let's see here. In between 1796 and 1791.5. And ES is bullish as well, forming this long extended boxes to the upside. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 boxes here in the upside, and retracing a little bit out of this high right here. So gold is sideways, and crude is retracing a little bit from this break. It's a little bit extended here, but it was worth it to put the trade. Let's see if it gives it's a little bit extended, so probably it's going to come back against us. One contract. Yesterday was a horrible day, actually, after the 600 and some dollars that I reported that I made yesterday. Then I kept trying to trade the point and figure to recover, but it actually was worse. So I ended up with $1,500 against. One of those days. So let's see if crude keeps going up or it's going to go against us. I am going to paint this horizontal line here. Edit here, data. I'm gonna put this one at 1, and then I'm gonna color this in green. So you see it's oversold, and now it's turning momentum to the downside. And let's duplicate this and change it to red. Not that red, this red. And let's go to data and put minus 0.1. So that would be the level of oversold. So this one is overbought. This one would be the level of oversold. So target here, it's $100, right? But also we do have an 83.60 level that could serve also as a target for resistance. And this is the floor pivot at 82.20. Let's see if it hits the. This one is forming a lower low, equal low actually, from this pivot here, lower high, a lower low, and then moving up. So it's really consolidating. Crude slowing down a little bit, not moving that much. Still in an uptrend. So today I'm gonna be trading Renko charts, and supported by the point and figure actually. So what I've been doing is a little bit different. I've been trading the point and figure, but the market has been moving sideways. So in gold, basically gold was what it took most of the profit yesterday, or gave me a loss. Crude coming back down, $20. So the bias in crude is to the upside. 240 has a resistance at 83.96. Which is up above right here. But it has a resistance here at 83.60 in the pivot. Crude wants to go up. 8:05 a.m. I'm gonna keep the session short today. Too many things to do. So probably at around 8:30, I will be cutting the stream. Crude deciding what it wants to do. Gold moving upside in the range in its channel. Seems that Crude wants to give us the $100. We'll see. Gold retracing back. So on Monday, I'm going to start trading with 2 contracts. Crude's moving up. See if it keeps doing it. I'm going to reduce the risk a little bit here to 100. Gold is forming here a wick out of the moving averages and the cloud, with resistance at this level within the channel. So there's a reversal here, kind of. It's not longer a downtrend. Crude is at 80. And I mean the profit, right? Let's see if it hits the target. Crude going back. Gold is still in the channel. Found that resistance at 1794.80. Crude at 80. Meet the $100, so 96. I'm gonna mark it here. was actually that entrance right there. I'm gonna line it a little bit. I'm gonna put the arrow to know that that one was a long. Most likely it's gonna go all the way up to 83.60. Gold looks bullish. I mean, sorry, crude. ES coming back. Gold still in the channel, trying to break this this downtrend. Found resistance at 94.80. So let's review once more the chart for point and figure. Gold is in this channel, so nothing is happening here yet. Tried to break up here and then came back. So yesterday I was a little bit blind on this one and took a lot of trades when it was trying to go up. And then I didn't sell until it was way below. So that was not a good thing to do. So here there are some indications. So I took I took a hit here, and I took a hit here, and I took another hit here when it was trying to break and it didn't. So if you see the price was in a range, and I was trying to get the move to the upside and then putting the stop right down here or the other way, right? Here I thought that it was going to go down, and I didn't stop it until it was way up here, and it reversed on me. So that's the reason why I took $1,500 loss yesterday in the whole day. So changing a little bit what I'm doing now, reducing the risk, and also in preparation to Monday start doing 2 contracts instead of 1, because I'm not going to take that risk anymore. ES coming down, we said that already, but and then gold trying to break within the channel. There's micro channel right here. So not longer in a downtrend in the short term, but it needs to break actually this high here to go really bullish, or not really bullish, to go bullish actually. Remember that crude gold is let's see here, gold fired a bullish squeeze, so it is pointing to the upside, gives a red, a yellow, a green trigger yesterday in the stochastics, and also it had triggered already a green in the MACD. But it's been moving sideways, and if we paint here, let's see where we are. If we paint here a diagonal from this high to this high here, it's actually right there in the break. And if we paint from here to there, then it's in the symmetrical triangle. It has some resistance right here in the daily. So gold is moving sideways within the channel, I mean within the symmetrical triangle, but it's the bias is actually to the upside. Now with the dollar going up, there's some analysts that are saying that that is a pressure for gold to move down, but that is not what I see in the channel. I mean in the chart. So after this, there's a resistance also as well. This level, or there's a resistance at this level, and there is a resistance at this level here. And if we paint a fib, let's see if I have a fib here chart. So let's paint a fib right here. Then from this high to this low, it's actually in the 50, in the 60% retracement. There's some good resistance right here at this level. Really good resistance actually. At the 100. Right, almost exactly at the 100. Right there. Yes. Okay, gold is breaking. Look at this. It broke really nicely to the upside. I was not looking. Very fast move actually. And crude came back down. Too late for taking a trade in gold. See if it comes back and give us another signal to entry. This is actually, I missed the opening gold on the ghost market, but it really moved nicely to the upside. Now it's triggering another entry. It didn't retrace as much as I wanted, so I'm not taking it, but it keeps moving up very nicely. 1800.7. There was a resistance at 1800. Crude is coming back. Gold keeps pushing and retracing now a little bit. Momentum is down. RSI crossed below. Let's see how crude reacts to that 1800 level. And the 1800 was, if you recall before, I was saying that that would be 1800. You can review the video later. But the 18.8 was kind of like resistance. Broke up above this line here, that resistance here, and it moved higher. So now it's facing this 1800 resistance, and 30 minutes is bullish. 1801.9 is the level I have there, which is probably that little wick that you see there. Crude is giving another signal right here. So, MACD is coming down. And resetting. Crude still bullish. Gold coming down. And give us another signal. Trying to wick at 17.99. It's a little bit extended, you know. Should have taken it, I didn't. There was a nice reset here on momentum on the fast line, going and touch this this line here. Crude is actually moving in and trying to give us a signal as well. Yeah, probably it's going to give us a double top right here because it's at resistance. $83.32, 83.33 would be the entry for crude. And we do have an 83.96 resistance level there. See, gave us a double top right here. Crude should trigger this and gold moving up, breaking again the 1800. Okay, so 829, I'm going to stop trading. Too many things to do today, so thank you for watching. $100 profit today.